In an era of transformative change sweeping the global automotive industry, one name is relentlessly reshaping our vision of future mobility. That name is BYD. While traditional giants struggle to adapt and emerging forces are still finding their way, BYD, the colossus from China, has repeatedly demonstrated through disruptive products and strategies that its time has well and truly arrived. Today, another sharp new weapon has been added to BYD's arsenal, the Sealion 07 DMI. This isn't just another new vehicle, it's another bombshell dropped by BYD into the fiercely competitive mid-size SUV market. It's the hybrid sibling to its all-electric Sealion 07 EV, and the fourth formidable member of the rapidly expanding Sealion family. Consider this. Just last month, sales for the Sealion family surged by nearly 45% month over month. That kind of growth momentum is enough to send a chill down any competitor's spine. And the Sealion 07 DMI enters the ring with an incredibly aggressive price point, starting at just 169,800 renminbi, or roughly 23,460 US dollars. But if you think this is merely a price game, you'd be mistaken. Behind this astonishing price lies BYD's painstakingly developed, brand-new fifth-generation DM hybrid technology, DM 5.0. Unveiled just weeks ago, this technology is far from a simple iterative upgrade. It's a genuine leap forward, promising unprecedented fuel efficiency and a smooth, powerful hybrid experience. This isn't just technological progress, it's another reaffirmation of BYD's commitment to its users. So, what kind of real-world performance can we expect from this highly anticipated DM 5.0 technology? Imagine this: a combined range of up to an astounding 1,320 kilometers on a full tank and full charge. Range anxiety? In the face of the Sealion 07 DMI, that seems to become a moot point. It's powered by a 1.5T high-efficiency engine, but what truly sets it apart is the seamless synergy between the engine and its electric motors. Even the more affordably priced single-motor versions boast a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time of just 7.9 seconds, more than adequate for a family SUV. But if you crave even more performance, the top-tier dual-motor variant is an absolute wolf in sheep's clothing. It unleashes even greater power, slashing the 0 to 100 km/h acceleration time to a thrilling 4.7 seconds. What does that mean in practical terms? It's enough to rival many significantly more expensive performance vehicles. Providing the solid foundation for all of this is BYD's renowned Blade battery, a 26.6 kilowatt-hour pack that not only offers up to 150 kilometers of pure electric range, but is also globally acclaimed for its exceptional safety and durability. This isn't just a battery. It's the ultimate manifestation of BYD's vertical integration capabilities and a key to its cost control and technological leadership. Of course, BYD's ambitions extend far beyond a potent powertrain. The Sealion 07 DMI is also armed to the teeth with intelligence, its features reading like a tech wish list. We're talking about BYD's God's Eye Advanced Driver Assistance System, DI Pilot. This scales from supporting Navigate on Autopilot, NOA, on highways to, on higher trims, even enabling NOA in complex urban environments. This undoubtedly elevates the driving experience to a new level. Inside, the DI-Link 100 Smart Cockpit system features a 15.6-inch adaptive rotating screen and a 26-inch AR HUD, combined with an AI voice assistant deeply integrated with DeepSeek's large language models, all aiming to create a truly intelligent and intuitive mobile space. And for a touch of the truly futuristic, there's even an optional in-car drone system developed in collaboration with DJI. It's like having the future of mobility delivered to us today. BYD understands that beyond performance and technology, a comfortable driving experience is paramount. The interior of the Sealion 07 DMI adopts a design theme BYD calls Glacier World, creating an atmosphere that is both minimalist and stylish. Features like 10-point massage front seats, a dual-zone independently controlled in-car refrigerator, cooling down to -6 degrees Celsius and heating up to 50 degrees Celsius, and a 12-speaker Dynaudio sound system, normally found in much higher-priced vehicles, are now accessible in the Sealion 07 DMI. It's more than just a mode of transport. It's a mobile sanctuary of comfort. So, with such aggressive pricing and comprehensive product strength, who exactly is BYD targeting with the Sealion 07 DMI? The answer is self-evident. It will directly challenge market hotshots like the Tesla Model Y, Toyota's Evergreen Highlander and Kluger, and strong domestic Chinese competitors such as the Li Auto L6. Against these star players, the Sealion 07 DMI, with its lower fuel consumption, longer combined range, impressive level of intelligence, and rich comfort features, undoubtedly possesses formidable disruptive power. This isn't just a battle of product capabilities, it's a redefinition of value. The launch of the Sealion 07 DMI is far more than just the debut of a new model. It clearly signals BYD's multi-pronged global strategy. While initially launched in China, BYD executives have already made it clear that global sales are imminent, a crucial part of its ambitious expansion plan. With pricing that significantly undercuts many premium competitors and an almost fully loaded features list, analysts widely predict that the Sealion 07 DMI will trigger a new BYD whirlwind in global markets. From Southeast Asia to Europe and on to Australia, BYD's expansion is accelerating. The BYD Sealion 07 DMI. It's not just a new hybrid SUV, it is another concentrated demonstration of BYD's continuous spirit of innovation. Another powerful declaration of this company's determination to reshape the global automotive landscape. Today, the discussion is no longer about if BYD will disrupt global markets, but to what extent and at what speed. And, in the face of this BYD torrent, who will be able to keep pace or even compete? This will be the most compelling question in the automotive industry for years to come.